Hello children, welcome to your English class. In the previous video, we have read the chapter and I explained you the chapter in Hindi. In this video, we will do exercises given in your book. So let's start with questions and answers. So there are 6 questions and questions given in your book. So let's start with number 1. Something is wrong, said Helen's mother. What was wrong with Helen? Something is wrong, said Helen's mother. What was wrong with Helen? Answer is Helen was not able to see or hear after her illness. After her illness, Helen was not able to see or hear. Question number 2. Although Helen could not hear or see, what kind of girl was she? Although Helen could not hear or see, what kind of girl was she? Answer 2. Although she was not able to see or hear, she was a bright girl. Question number 3. Who agreed to help Helen? Who agreed to help Helen? Answer number 3. A young teacher, Miss Sullivan, agreed to help Helen. Question number 4. How did Miss Sullivan help Helen? How did Miss Sullivan help Helen? Answer is Miss Sullivan helped Helen to understand the words. She spelled words into her hand with her fingers. She also used hand signs. Question number 5. What did Helen learn when the teacher put her hand into running water? What did Helen learn when her teacher put her hand into running water? Answer is Helen learned the meaning of water when the teacher put her hand into running water. She understood that water meant something wet. Question number 6. What was the most important thing that Helen finally understood? What Helen understood finally? Answer 6 is she learned that it was a word that would tell her everything she wanted to know. So words are important. Now let's talk. So in this there are 6 questions, but we will do only 3. Rest of the 3 you will look at the book and you will do yourself. How do people who cannot see read? Do you know children, the people those who cannot see, they also read? How? The children who cannot see reads with the help of a special script. There is a special script for the children who are unable to see or who cannot see. Next, what is the script for children who cannot see called? What is the script for children who cannot see called? There is a special script for the children who cannot see. They also read. So what is that script is called? Answer is Braille is the script for children who cannot see, and it is now next question. How do you think you can help children who cannot see? How you can help the children who cannot see? We can help them in moving at school. Also we can assist in their class work. We can help the children who cannot see. We can assist them in their classwork. We can assist them in moving from in school, going to toilet, etc. Let's write. So this exercise you can do it in your book. Now match the 2 parts of sentences given under column A and B. Add but to join the 2 parts and write complete sentences. Write complete sentences given space given in your book on page number 87. So here are the column A and column B, page number 87 in your book. So how you will make the sentences? Match and join it. First one, Helen lived her after her illness, but she could not hear or see. She could not see or hear, but she was very intelligent girl. She was very bright girl. So match the column and write sentences given in the blank space in your book on page number 87. Number 3. The people thought that she could not learn anything, but her mother thought she could learn. Number 4. Helen copied the words but she did not understand what she was doing. She copied her teacher but she did not understand what she was doing. Miss Sullivan was strict but she was kind to Helen. Next, Pretty Pep. So now read the poem. I have a little sister, they call her Pretty Peep. She wades in the waters deep, deep, deep. She climbs up the mountains high, high, high. My pretty little sister, she has just one eye. So who is Pretty Peep? Any guess? Who is this Pretty Peep? So your answer is a star. A star. So this also you will do it in your notebook. So thank you. Till then, goodbye.